Hi guys, today we are checking out the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. Now this is a really well valued phone, and actually the Note series is one of my favorite when it comes to the value of the device. Actually my review started with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, I think, if I'm correct. Don't look up that video, that's a horrible quality. But anyway, that is a really well valued phone, and this is the Note 7. Now you also have the new version, the Note 7 Pro if I'm correct, but that one offers the newer CPU and so on. Anyway, let's dive into this phone, and of course this phone was sent to me by Banggood.com, and if you want to check out this phone, be sure to check it out via the link in the description. It really helps out the channel, and Banggood would be pleased if you are looking for a device like this, that you order it via them, because, well, they like that, I guess. Anyway, let's open it up. This is, by the way, not the global version. You can get this in the global version, but also in this version, which is basically the Chinese Asian market version. But yeah, this is the version that gets the Snapdragon 660, a 48 megapixel camera still. Well, somewhat. It's not really a 48 megapixel camera, but it also is. But anyway, we'll talk about that in the review. A 4000 milliampere battery, which is good for a device like this. And then of course our normal specifications. Anyway, let's open this up. And yes, this time I don't have my knife with me. Okay, so you actually got this version in 3 different colors. You got it in black, you got it in red, which is then called gold for some reason, and you got it in the blue version. Sadly, the red was not available, or the gold was not available at the moment, so they sent me the blue one, if correct. Yeah, the blue one. You do get a free soft case with it. Honestly, that is my favorite thing to have. I always prefer soft cases over hard cases. For one, with clear soft cases you can keep the design, you will see the design itself, and you still protect the device itself. And soft cases do feel pretty nice in the hand. Actually I have that on my Note as well. As you can see, this is the blue version. Ooh, this is actually looking better than I thought. I really like this. This looks good. That's a good color. Gotta admit, they done that well. Looks good. Okay, let's put this aside for a second. Let's check out what more we have. Of course, we have our charging cable, which is actually a USB-C. Not really a surprise there. Our charging brick, but because I'm from the EU, they did send out a version where I can just plug this in as such, and then I can use it here as well. Next to that, there isn't anything with it, so that's a bit of a shame. You do have a headphone jack on top, which is important. Of course, we have a dual camera setup, like I said, a 48 megapixel camera, somewhat, but yeah, let's talk about that in the review. Xiaomi Redmi Note by Xiaomi. Okay. We do have a notch, which is a single one, bit like a teardrop, but a bit different. It is not as clean as the teardrop version, but yeah, it is what it is. It does look pretty good. I like the style of it, I like the design of it. Of course, it does feel a bit cheaper than your normal phone, but you know, you're paying like $200 for this phone, so it makes a lot of sense that this is not the best build phone out there. I mean, this is just a bit cheaper, but all in all, it feels good, feels pretty solid for a device like this. Of course, the design itself is very similar to a lot of devices out there, running on MIUI 10. So we're going to talk about this a bit more in the review of this device. And again, I want to thank Banggood for sending out this device. And we're going to check it out later, how it performs. But I've taken some quick pictures with this device, so you can check out yourself as well how you like it. And also some B-roll, of course, like you've seen, just to show off the device a bit better. Anyway, have a good one, and talk to you guys in the next.